Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Let's cook something which is tasty, healthy and very easy to make. And what better than chicken thukpa? So let's get started. The ingredients are chopped onions, chopped carrots, chopped capsicum, chopped beans, ginger, garlic, green chilies, boiled chunks of chicken, salt, black pepper, butter, boiled noodles, vinegar, chicken stock, egg and corn starch. At first, we will take the butter in a preheated pan, and once it melts, we will add ginger and garlic. After frying a bit, we will add the chopped onions. Then we will add the carrots and beans after frying a little bit. Then we will add green chilies, salt, black pepper according to taste and mix them well. Now we will add chopped capsicums to this. Then we will be adding the chicken pieces to it. And then pour the chicken stock into it. After this, we will keep the pan covered for 4 minutes on low flame. After that, we will add the vinegar and again keep it covered till the vegetables get properly boiled. Now, we will take an egg in a separate bowl and whisk it well. Then, we will add this to the pan and stir it for a minute. Now, we will mix 1 teaspoon water with the cornstarch and pour it into the pan. We will mix it well and cover the pan for a minute. Now take the boiled noodles in a big bowl and pour the contents of the pan inside the bowl. Our chicken thukpa is absolutely ready. You can have this delicious Tibetan delicacy for breakfast or as a wholesome meal for lunch or dinner. Please hit the like button if you liked this video. Comment down your suggestions for the next video. Share it with your friends and family. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Follow us on Instagram. The link will be in the description box below. See you in the next video. Thank you.